how to fix Facebook code not received. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook 6-digit code not received in less than 1 minute. So there's two ways to fix it. The first way is just open the Play Store and search for Facebook and then click here on update if there is a new update. And if there is no update, then go to the settings, go to apps, and right here click on Facebook and it will take you to this page. It's called app informations. Click on force stop and then scroll down and go to the option of the data usage and make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are enabled, and then go back, click on storage and click here on this clear cache, and now make sure to click on force stop, and congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.